आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we have a question you can see over here that we have to find out the median, right? The median of first 10 prime numbers, right? And this is a multiple choice questions, so we have given a multiple answers as well, right? So basically we have to find out the median of first 10 prime numbers. So before that, just do tell me what is prime number? Okay. So we have to know about what is a prime number. Right, so prime number are those number who has only two factors, right? Only two factors, those known as a prime number, right? And it means when we have two factors like 13 has two factors, 1 and 13 itself, right? Like 7 has two factors, 1 and 7, so these are called as a prime number, right? So we have to find out the median of the first 10 prime numbers, right? So the very first 10 prime numbers are top first prime numbers, like 10 prime numbers are 2, right? 2, and then 3, and then 5, and then 7, and then 11, and then 13. How much? 1 2 3 4 5 6 13. After 13 you will have 17, and then 19. The total prime numbers you have, that's 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. So these are the top 10 prime numbers from the initial position. So these are the first 10 prime numbers. First 10 prime numbers. Now we have to find out the median of 10 prime numbers. So you can check over there. It is the value of n is equals to 10, right? Because this is a even like this is an even prime numbers combination. So the total number is gonna be 10, right? So here n is equals to 10. So and this is an even number, right? Whenever we have an even number, what it mean? Whenever we have an even number, what it mean? Then we have to find out the median. So median is gonna be explained as n by 2 brackets n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term division over 2, right? This is the formula for the median. So this is the formula for the median, right? So we have to use this formula. Before that, we have to find out n by 2th term, right? So what is n by 2th term? You can check over here, 10 by 2. So I will just write it down. N by 2th term is nothing but 10 by 2th term. That is nothing but 5th term, right? 5th term, right? So which is the 5th term over here? 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is the 5th term over here, right? 11. Similarly, what we have to do next, the next term is n by 2 plus 1. So n by 2 you already get, that's 5. So 5 plus 1th term, right? 1th term, that's 6th term, right? So we got 6th term. So 6th term is nothing but 13, right? So what we have to do, we have to add both of the numbers, right? We have to add both of the numbers. So the both of the numbers is gonna be 11 plus 13. That will be the number, and median is can be denoted as 11 plus 13, and I will put division sign over here, right? And that's gonna be 2 over here, right? So this is total of 24 over 2, right? And after this we will get 12, right? So this will be our answer. So the median is gonna be explained as this: 11 plus 13 over 2, 24 over 2, and the final answer is 12. So these are the first 10 prime numbers that we have to follow: 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 19. So these are the first 10 prime numbers. N is 10, the total number of frequency, right? It's the total number it's given, that how many total numbers are in the data, that's 10. So that's why it's an even number, right? Whenever we have an even number, what it means, we have to use the formula, right, which is in the yellow highlighter. So this is how we are going to use. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।